we grow and harvest the tasty, nutty ingredients for the Almond Joy and Mounds bars.
And don't you forget it.
Everybody, this is Kaya. She's our renowned coconut and almond sourcing specialist.
Welcome to the Cove. What brings you here today?
We're here to collect some Almond Joy and Mounds.
Well, you've come to the right place. Let's roll.
Drive mode!
The first step in making Almond Joy and Mounds bars is sourcing the best coconuts and almonds from groves like these. We're nuts about them. Oh, these are ready for harvest. Oh, I wish I brought the shaker with me.
Shaker? I think we can help. All right, everyone. Press your action buttons as fast as you can with me to shake those trees. Ready? Go!
Yeah! Shake it, everybody!
Wow.
Keep at it! Just a few more!
Amazing! Great work, everyone. Any chance you could help me pick these up and get them to the factory?
I was hoping you'd ask.
Wow. Impressive. Thanks, Jenny. Shall we?
Yep, all right. Cool.
Welcome to the factory.
Wow.
This is where we bring everything together to create our bars.
Oh.
The secret to perfect Almond Joy and Mounds bars is in the coconut center. We whip the coconut up with just the right amount of air and moisture to create the perfect texture, like a tropical breeze.
Ooh, look at them. Wow.
Next, we add pairs of perfectly toasted almonds to the top of our Almond Joy bars. And then we coat them with our chocolatey waterfalls, enrobing the coconut in a layer of creamy goodness.
Get ready. We're going through. That was so much fun.
I love my job. Here's where the bars are packaged and shipped and loaded onto your tray.
Wow. Thank you, Kaya.